create a magic ring. Chain 1, 5 single crochet into the ring, 1, and mark the first stage, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Put tight add slip stitch into the first stitch here, put tight and row to chain 1. In the same stitch, make 2 single crochet and make 2 single crochet in each stitch around 5 times. 1, mark the first stitch, and in the same stitch make 2 increase. The second stitch, 1, 2, the third, 1, 2, 1, next stitch, 1, 2, and 1 and 2. Okay, cut the yarn. Insert here to join. Hai the yarn. Now change color. Make a knot. Start where you want. In the same stage, make 3 chain, 2 double crochet and 3 chain, then slip stitch into the next stage like this. 1, 2, 3, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, and chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch into the next stage here. In the same stitch, repeat crochet, chain 3 to double crochet and chain 3. 1, 2, 3, double crochet, double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, slip stitch into the next stitch. Okay, repeat 8 times, 8 more times. 1, 2, 3, double crochet, double crochet. Oh, something wrong. Double crochet, double crochet, chain 3, and slip stitch into the next stitch. 7 more times. Fold out chain 3, cut the yarn and cell.